What's the meaning of barium? Barium. Barium.
Barium. Barium. Barium is a chemical element with the symbol Ba and atomic number 56. It is a soft, silvery white metal that belongs to the alkaline earth metals. Barium has a high reactivity and can readily form compounds with other elements. It is widely used in applications such as X-ray imaging, fireworks, drilling fluids, and glass manufacturing. Barium also has potential uses in energy storage and conversion, such as in solid oxide fuel cells. However, barium is toxic and can cause serious health problems if ingested or inhaled. Therefore, it must be handled with care and disposed of properly to avoid harm to human health and the environment.